Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. First, confirm you have an Intel Mac because Bootcamp doesn't work on Apple Silicon. Once confirmed, free at least 4100 GB and back up important files to Time Machine or an external drive so you can restore if needed. Next, download an official Windows 10 or 11 ISO and plug your Mac into AC power. This prevents interruptions during partitioning and installation. Make sure your internet connection is stable because Bootcamp will fetch drivers and updates mid-process. Now continue by launching Bootcamp Assistant from Utilities and select the Windows ISO you downloaded. Drag the partition slider to allocate space. Choose 4100 GB or more depending on use. Bootcamp will create the partition, copy Windows files, and automatically download Apple's Windows drivers. When your Mac reboots into the Windows installer, select the Bootcamp partition, click Format to NTFS, and let the installer continue. Once Windows installs, your Mac will reboot several times while drivers finish installing. Finish by running the Bootcamp installer in Windows if it didn't auto-run. Open the Apple Support or Bootcamp folder and run setup to install keyboard, trackpad, graphics, and networking drivers. Once done, update Windows through Settings and confirm Device Manager shows no missing drivers. To switch between Mac OS and Windows, hold Option at startup and pick the volume. If installation fails, free additional disk space, verify the ISO integrity, and rerun Bootcamp Assistant. This resolves most common errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.